it going, everybody? Welcome to the Scarecorp channel. Today I'm back with another video of an unboxing. I'll be unboxing this impact wrench from Mastercraft. This is a 1/2 inch square drive. It's got a 8 amp motor, so it's one of the bigger ones. This is also an AC version of the impact wrench, so 120 volt version versus the air ones. Going around the box, looks like it does 350 foot-pounds of torque. It's a single speed, 2100 RPM. It's got a forward and a reverse. 8 amp motor, like we said, 1/2 inch square, aluminum housing. Alright. On the side, just tells us 120 volt, 1/2 inch, 300 foot-pounds, pretty much everything. Weight is about 7 pounds 6 ounces, 3.3 kilograms. Good to know. Okay, and then just the French side. Alright, so let's crack this baby open and see what we got inside. Unit itself, and just the book. It's pretty straightforward. Owner's manual. If there's anything in here worth really noting. If you see anything, you can just pause it. All the parts. Okay. Alright, and a little bit more parts, just in case you lost yours. Alright, so let's take a look at this bad boy. Oh, yeah. So, pretty straightforward. Feels good in the hand. It's a little heavy. 7-8 pounds it said, 7 or 8. Trigger feels good. Got a nice long cord. AC. A little bit of warning there. Alright, so that was just a quick unboxing there. Watch out for my other videos. I will be taking some wheels off with this guy. We'll see how this operates. So stay tuned for that. If you have any comments, questions, please post them down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these videos, especially the review on this guy, hit the subscribe button. That way you'll get the video as soon as it comes out. Alright, I believe that is it for my time, and I do thank you for yours. Bye.